Do you really need to Do you really need to or do you really need to Today's opening, today's hook, today's tip is, do you really need to Excuse me, got a bit of a cold. Now, why do we use the really, do you need to I love this opening. Do you know why? Because if you open like this, if imagine you walk on stage, imagine you've been announced on the virtual stage, and the first thing you say is, do you really need TikTok to make an impact in this world? Do you really need money to be successful? Do you really need to train as a speaker to be a speaker? Well, of course the answer is yes to the last one. However, when you go with, do you need to immediately you get people thinking. You allow people to have an aha moment, and you enroll, you captivate, you pull them in. And that's today's speaking tip on how to open a talk. Almost done. A few more to go. Make sure you like, share, and comment. Bye.